Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some rain shower activity across the area this morning. We continue to see that throughout the day today with a chance of an embedded thunderstorm once we move into the mid-afternoon hours and early evening hours today as well. Let's see slightly breezy southeasterly flow for this afternoon, so could see a wind advisory. Most likely will not, but there is a chance, about a 25% chance we do see winds above 25 knots. Once we get past today, going to see some more tranquil conditions with possibility of some low clouds tomorrow morning, but warmer conditions for Thursday and for Friday to end the work week. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, freezing level at 10,800 feet, winds out of the southeast, and fairly breezy at 33 knots at 1,000 feet, and then decreasing up to 23 knots, 3,000 feet, and becoming lighter around 20 knots, 6 to 9,000 feet. The winds increase thereafter and become more southwesterly up to 45 knots at 25,000 feet. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, this weak area low pressure is going to be moving through the region this morning, and that's going to give us our chances of rainfall for today. Take a quick look at the radar imagery this morning. You can see that area low pressure associated with that, the rainfall associated with area low pressure, I should say, moving into the region. You can see we do have some rain shower activity currently over Wallops. That's going to be the case through much of the day. Did see a little bit of thunderstorm activity south and west of Richmond, and that's going to be trying to move through the region today as we move into the afternoon hours. So taking a look at our risk chart for today real quickly, we see we have a good chance of precipitation throughout the day today. Winds gusting should be 12 to 17 knots here, not that's a typo there. Gusting up to 24 knots for this afternoon. So could possibly see that wind advisory. Rain chances around 90% today, so very likely high around 60 degrees, and then going to see a low tonight of only 51, light winds overnight, and that'll allow for the low clouds to build in overnight as well. Our chances of thunderstorms look to be about 20% between 15 to 1,800 local, and possibility of some heavier rainfall as well with the thunderstorms moving through. So taking a look at our 24-hour terminal forecast, going to see that rain shower activity in here through the remainder of the day today until about 20 local or 8 p.m. this evening, with that chance of a thunderstorm as well, as I mentioned, between 1,500 and 1,800 local. Going to see some moderate rain showers as well as we move into the afternoon hours. Once we move past 20 local, going to see that lower cloud cover around 500 feet, possibly down to vertical visibility of 200 feet with quarter-mile visibility with fog in the region. That will last through tomorrow morning. Taking a look at our Thursday and Friday. Thursday, morning fog and low clouds becoming mostly to partly cloudy in the afternoon. Be warm with a high of 67 degrees. Thursday could be a tricky temperature forecast right along the coast, as inland locations will easily see the mid-70s on Thursday. We'll continue to see some low clouds in the morning on Thursday at Wallops. Just depends on how quickly those low clouds burn off if we're able to see the lower 70s at Wallops. Right now it looks like they'll hang on just long enough to keep us in the upper 60s. Thursday night mostly cloudy with a slight chance of a light rain shower towards dawn, as well as a chance of some low clouds. It will be mild breezy with a low of 57 degrees. We'll see those precipitation chances around 20% on Thursday night into Friday morning. And going to see winds gusting possibly up to 25 knots by Friday morning. And then looking at Friday, slight chance of morning light rain. Otherwise, we'll have partly cloudy skies, windy conditions, and unseasonably warm temperatures with a high of 77 degrees. So taking a look at our model charts for the day, this is the 3-kilometer NAM. You can see we do have that rain shower activity in here this morning, and it's going to kind of move through the region and become more scattered once we move past about 1 or 2 o'clock this afternoon, and then really build in once we move to about 3 to 4 o'clock, and that's when our best chance of those thunderstorms rolling through the region would be, and the heavy rainfall. That will continue till about 8 o'clock this evening and then move off the coast. So taking a look at the GFS model for the long range, you can see that rainfall moving through this morning, and then a clearing conditions, I should say, for Thursday with dry weather. The GFS tries to move in some precipitation from the west associated with some thunderstorms that will develop across the south and try to move towards the region in the southwesterly flow. Expect that to really die off as it moves towards the region and Not expecting any rainfall on Thursday evening. Very slight chance we see something, but unlikely to occur. For our Friday morning, going to see that cold front move towards the region. Not going to really bring much cold air with it on Friday, as we'll have breezy conditions out of the southwest and slight chance of some rain showers in the morning, but it will allow for us to see those warm temperatures on Friday with highs in the upper 70s along the coast and possibly low 80s inland. We move into Saturday. Looks like a very pleasant start to the weekend, as we'll have high pressure in control. Temperatures still well above normal for this time of year in the upper 60s with westerly to northwesterly flow. Should give us some good down sloping off the mountains and allow us to warm up nicely. And then for Sunday, we'll have a cold front move towards the region, and an area low pressure across the Great Lakes, another area low pressure developing across the Appalachian Mountains, and that should give us a good chance of some rainfall and even a chance of a thunderstorm on Sunday. So move through, and then Monday we'll have cooler conditions. Area low pressure will develop and deepen across New England into the Canadian Maritimes, and that should provide us with a bit more breezy conditions for Monday, as well as some cooler temperatures more towards seasonable averages. And for Tuesday, we'll see that high build in, a cooler start to Tuesday morning. It look like temperatures will be in the 30s to start out Tuesday in the morning, but quickly warm up as this high moves off the coast, and not really seeing any cold air around. So we'll see continued above average temperatures. So taking a look at our 7-day planner, we'll see temperatures, as mentioned, the 60s today and tomorrow, 70s on Friday, and as mentioned, we'll see temperatures possibly in the lower 80s inland, a 20% chance of a brief sprinkle Friday morning. We'll see those nice conditions on Saturday, a high of 67 degrees, mostly sunny and mild. And for Sunday, we'll see a 70% chance of showers and a possibility of a thunderstorm as well. High in the mid-60s to upper 60s, around 66 degrees here forecasted. And then Monday and Tuesday, we'll see those slightly cooler conditions, more towards seasonable averages on Monday. Partly cloudy and breezy, a high of 56, and then on Tuesday, partly to mostly cloudy with a high of 60 degrees. You can see those overnight lows will be very warm and about 20 degrees above normal through Sunday morning, and then we'll see temperatures get back towards normal by Tuesday morning with a low of 38 degrees. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.